Today I'll be showing you just how easy it is to install Montalvo's V Brake. Here I have all the components just as you would receive them when you receive your V Brake order. I have the V Brake itself with backplate, friction pads, and air lines. I have the two anti-rotation mounting studs with clips, and the V Brake also typically ships with an integrated cover, so I have that as well. And finally, I have the written installation instructions. For this demonstration, I'll be using Montalvo's brake display, which, like your machine, will already have the shaft for the brake with the appropriate keyway and key already in place. To begin installation, drill and tap 2 holes in your mounting surface, 180 degrees apart, based on the dimensions provided on the V Brake datasheet. This dimension is letter E on the datasheet and is different depending on the size of the V Brake you ordered, so just ensure you're using the correct dimensions. I should note from here, the only 2 tools you'll need will be a long T-handle Allen wrench or a socket type Allen wrench with an extension, which are for the set screws on the brake hub, and a wrench for tightening down the 2 anti-rotation studs. So, now that the holes have been drilled and tapped, thread the anti-rotation studs into the tapped holes and tighten down. Next, make sure the key is in the shaft key slot, and then slide the brake onto the shaft, matching the back plate up with the key and the anti-rotation stud holes. Make sure the anti-rotation studs protrude through the plate holes. Some V Brake models also come with anti-rotation stud clips. Attach the clips if they came with your V Brake. Locate the 2 set screws on the hub. You may need to remove the friction pads to more easily access the set screws. Tighten down the set screws and replace the friction pads. The standard configuration is to have all of your air lines piped in series, with one fitting on the manifold. Other configurations are available depending on your application requirements and would be discussed with your Montalvo application specialist. To wrap up installation, connect your air line to the fitting on the manifold on your installed V Brake. And the last step, check to make sure there is no interference and you are done. If you have ordered a cover for your V Brake, go ahead and install that. Not only is the V Brake this easy to install, but it's even easier to maintain. Check out the V-Pad video to see just how quickly you can change every pad on your brake. Easy to install, easy to maintain, while giving you the performance and service life you require. That's the V Brake.